Hi Sunshines, welcome back to our channel MADCURLS. I'm Taylor Ann.
And I'm Lorianne.
And in this video today we are actually really excited to be doing this. We've had a lot of requests just since we've had our channel. People always want to know what people's favorites are. Favorite shampoo, favorite conditioner, gels, just, you know, all the categories. They want to know what your favorites are. And we have done favorites videos on our channel before. But maybe sometimes, maybe sometimes it's like overwhelming because there's just so many categories. So we wanted to do kind of like a MADCURLS week of favorites, where we put out a video every day of the week, but like break our favorites up into categories. So have a video of just our favorite shampoos, just our favorite deep conditioners, just our favorite oils, and that's what we decided to do.
It's where it stands now. To do a favorites video is kind of touchy because we are in now August of 2018. The last time we did one was it the one that's when we were going safari?
Yeah, it was kind of like the desert island favorites a little bit. That was in 2017.
That's what our favorites were then. So as I always say in our videos, when you know better, you do better. So this is just our expertise, what we've leaned towards in our videos, what we've enjoyed reviewing, and what we've reached for on a daily basis. This is where we stand right now. Like I said, August 2018. It might change 6 months from now.
It might change next week.
So the questions, hopefully they will reflect well, I thought that this was your favorite because at that point it might have been, but now fresh, clean, straight slate. We're starting off today with these are our favorites as they stand today.
So that is what's going down for the week for our video. So let's like jump right into it. Let's not have a whole long intro. So we are going to start. This video will be our favorite cleansers at the moment, from shampoo and conditioner combos to clarifying shampoos, co-washes. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So if you would like to see our MADCURLS favorites cleansers, then
please keep watching.
Okay, so starting with shampoos, I will start with this combination, which I've mentioned on this channel before, is the As I Am Long and Lou, the strengthening shampoo and conditioner. I love this shampoo and conditioner combo. Gets my scalp really clean, and I can detangle with this conditioner. I've repurchased this like a million times. I love this conditioner, so love this combination.
And the concept of shampoo, we felt that when we chose the shampoo, I said, can it stand alone? I felt like it could, because the ones I have over here, I use and I stand them alone, or I'll add in a deep conditioner. That will be my deep conditioning day. But those two absolutely go together. Of course, you could split them up. But I agree. Those were really good. Are really good. I like the color. It's pink. It's cute. It smells great.
Oh yeah, are you gonna do it? You do it every time. Go ahead. You always have to show.
I was at the show.
This is the shampoo.
Yeah, this is the shampoo. Look at how cute that is.
And it smells amazing. It's pomegranate and passion fruit.
Yeah, it's pink.
So it smells really, really good.
So cute.
So the As I Am. So good. Oh, it smells so good.
Yes.
And this was like,
somebody will correct Long and Luxe.
Long and Lou.
We never got it.
Oh, I keep saying Long and Lou.
Yeah, it's Long and Luxe.
I don't know where. Maybe I'm bougie. Long and Lou. It just sounds bougie. I don't know.
But yeah, it's a great shampoo.
And this actually put me on to shampoos and conditioners, because I really am not a shampoo person at all. But this was like, this is my favorite combination.
And I came on the channel only using shampoos, and now for the life of me I couldn't pick anything today, but then it dawned on me, oh my gosh, these are my favorites. My absolute favorites. So on my days off, and if I shampoo, I will use the Ouidad Glasses Time, the Ultra Nourishing Cleansing Oil. Love this. I've never felt anything like it. It's just such a different experience. And there were other ones that are on the market that I've seen. I think Palmer's makes one, but nope, I didn't want to try that one because I know what I like. So this right here is what I love. And this is the Ouidad
I agree. One. I actually had it over here too. I'm like, oh, you got it, so cool, show it. So
we both love this equally. Okay.
It's a good one. All right, another combination that I kind of just got onto and I like is the Pantene Gold Series. Their Moisture Boost shampoo and their Moisture Boost conditioner. Again, this is another moisturizing shampoo and conditioner combo. This goes in nicely, definitely lathers up, but when you rinse it out, your hair doesn't feel like hay. It's moisturized. And then this is a great conditioner. Pantene just nails it with their conditioners, I feel like. And I can detangle with this, so I really, really like this conditioner. So this combination is a go lately.
Okay, the next one as a shampoo I use, it is from the brand Ouidad again. Sorry to say, I don't think they make it anymore. It's not on their site. It's not on the ground in any stores. Every now and then you guys will say that you found it in a certain store, and you know, somebody will be lucky enough to get it. I happened to get this a few weeks ago in Ulta. I found one. I think I came on one night on live. The next day I had every intention of going right back there. It had been there for months, and when I went back, gone. So I'm glad I bought it the day I bought it. And then when I kept thinking, and I really saw that it had been discontinued, then I went back to get it the next day, but it was gone. But anyway, it is Ouidad Superfruit Renewal Clarifying Cream Shampoo. They no longer make it, but I have enough because I just bought this, so I'm like probably about right there. They replaced it with something called Waterworks, and I didn't care for it at all as much. It's a clarifying shampoo as well, but it makes my hair feel like hay. But this makes my hair feel clean, and it doesn't feel like I've clarified, but it is a clarifying shampoo.
Cool beans. All right, and the last shampoo and conditioner combo that I'm adding in here is the Shea Moisture, the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Shampoo. Now, I used this for the second time the other day. I like it because it's protein, has protein in it, but just like a little bit. And my hair can't take too much protein. So the other day, I went overboard with the moisture, and I'm like, I think I need some protein in my hair now. So I went in with this, and it really brought my hair back to life. I felt like it was like stronger, and it was.
You said it was thicker. You felt like
it was
healthier.
thicker. Yeah, it just felt healthier immediately. So this is just like the perfect amount of protein.
Because you were trying to get your elasticity back.
Yeah.
The moisturizing conditioners had kind of like made your hair go flat, and this but your hair kind of like bounced back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it doesn't go overboard with the protein. It was like just the right amount, and it brought my hair back. So I like this, and I know you liked it when we did the video. So you love protein.
I love protein.
Yeah. So that's all we have for shampoos. That's our shampoo collection.
That's our shampoo collection.
Yeah, should we press onward to some co-washes?
Why not?
All right, do you want to start with the co-wash?
Okay, so one of my very favorite co-washes is, believe it or not, I don't want to be shocked if you think I'm going to pick Camille Rose first, but I have to switch up the game, guys. You know she's on the table, but she's not going to be first, okay? All right, so Daily Fix by Curl Junkie. This was my co-wash. This was my cleanser before I even knew what a co-wash really was. And so I've had this for years. I've gotten it, well, I just replaced this one. I used to kind of replace it with this, and then it was so big, and now that we do a lot of testing of products, I don't go through this as quickly, so I got this months ago, and it's still very much at the top, if even used yet, because I'm probably still pumping out of here. You guys told me in one of the other videos that I mentioned this, that I didn't care for this really thin, skinny pump, but just switch off the pump. But aside from all of that extra accessorizing, this right here, this is the smaller size for 20, this is the larger size for 56. Last time I bought it, I don't know what it is now, I'm pretty sure it's the same. But it's called Daily Fix Cleansing Hair Conditioner, and I love it. Absolutely comparable to my very favorite Camille Rose one, which I'll show next.
Go ahead.
Okay, since we're here.
Since we're here, go ahead.
Oh, funny seeing you here, Camille Rose. Okay, right here.
Because I love it too.
I don't feel so bad mentioning anymore because everybody who wants it, I believe, has gotten it. If not, I'm sorry for you guys. But this is a Camille Rose Naturals Creme Restored. Nothing like it. Everyone who's gotten it has said I so was right. Absolutely true. This is new because I have so many extras, and I didn't want to do this video looking all ugly and busted with things all dripping down and ugly, so I wanted something to look new. Because you're like, if you love it so much, why isn't it used? No, honey, it's been used.
It's used.
We have over this house.
Yeah, no, there's like a million Camille Rose Creme Restores around this house.
I'm starting a collection of empties now, so this is a new one because I wanted it to be pretty for the aesthetic. But nothing tops it.
It's really good.
Nothing tops this.
It's
nothing.
good.
I was just playing games, putting the other one first. But there is no particular order. But if there had to be an order, of course, guys, you know it's this first. But so that's
good.
My favorite co-wash.
When you can get it.
When you can get
it on their website. When you can get it.
Yes.
Okay. No surprises here since no one's being surprised. I guess I'll start with my number one, even though there's no order, but there kind of is an order, I guess.
Yeah.
Surprise. Aussie Miracle Curls Co-Wash. I love this. It's just the best co-wash. It's my number one. I buy it again and again and again. This one's actually empty. I have to get my other new one, but I love this. Amazing slip. It just does wonders for me on wash day, and I just absolutely love it. It's the best co-wash I've ever used. I love it so much.
I've never used it.
It's just so good. It's just so good.
What did I use in that Aussie video? I don't remember. No, I think I might use the shampoo.
I think you might use the shampoo.
Okay.
Yeah. And I just brought these two over because they're comparable. Is the Pantene Truly Natural Hair Co-Wash. They used to sell this. I think this is kind of hard to get now, but this is this. Okay. Same ingredients. If you read the ingredients on the back, ingredient by ingredient. They're the exact same product.
Yeah.
So of course I like this too because they're the exact same product.
They smell the same?
They smell the same, everything.
Wow.
Yeah, they're like the exact same product.
Okay.
You do get different ounces in them, and they are a different price, like a little bit off. Like this is 20 ounces, this is 16 ounces. I believe this is cheaper than this one a little bit, but they are the same product.
Wow.
Do you have any other ones to show?
Okay, and then this one, I just got onto this. And normally I would never buy something this big just trying it out, but I wanted to start working my way through the Ouidad curly immersion line. So Ulta had a sale, and so I went in there strictly to get, I think, the one, I forget how they carry it normally. It might be a smaller size. I don't know if it's pump or container. I don't know, so I'm not that familiar with the curly immersion line. But once I came home and started going through the comments, a lot of people were encouraging me to try it, and so I did. When I went to get this I believe was like 48, 58, maybe something crazy. But that day, it was my birthday, it was my extra points, it was money that I had saved up, and it was 20% off if you got this, and then you got the free little pump. And this is, to me, a nice pump that Curl Junkie needs to use. But I used it and I love it. I absolutely love it. That's why it's on the table, because if I didn't love it, it wouldn't be on the table. But right from the start, I loved it. It's not, I would say, on the level of my Creme Restore, but it's not far off. It's not on the level of my Daily Fix, but it's not far off. It's definitely 1, 2, 3. One of these three I would choose. I would not go to anything else. These are the three things I would use. This is working its way, not necessarily to the top, but it's working its way up for me to reach and go through it. I like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, more honorable mentions, more favorites. I feel like it wouldn't be a favorites video unless I mentioned the I Am Coconut Cowash, because I mentioned that so much in a lot of our earlier videos. I don't use it as much. Ever since I got the Aussie, I really don't use this as much, but this is a great co-wash. I believe it does not have silicones in it. The Aussie does. So this is like a curly girl friendly co-wash. It's amazing. Slip, moisture, all of that. The I Am Coconut Cowash is really great.
It's like an OG co-wash, and I like it even over the Long and Luxe one. And when we did the video with Adam a few days ago, that's what I used.
You use this one?
Yeah. I just since we were doing As I Am products, I just wanted to use the As I Am co-wash, and that was the one that I reached for.
This is still like an HG, OG for everybody. Holy Grail.
Yep.
All of that.
Right. All that.
All that. And one more, just one that's really affordable, is the Cantu. I used to use this all the time. I don't really use it as much now, but this is still a great co-wash. The Cantu for Natural Hair Complete Conditioning Co-Wash. I think on Walmart it's like $3 or $4. This is a great co-wash as well. Slip, moisture, all of that. So shout out to Cantu. And I think that's it. I think that's all we're going to mention.
So it's like our new series, kind of, so to speak, that we just kind of want to compile everything that we use and what people would use on a daily basis, from your cleansers to your stylers, your leave-ins, all of that, conditioners. And that way you can just click on. Sometimes you don't want to have to go through a whole spiel of what we've done, all of our talking, laughing, giggling, all that. You just want to get down to the meat of the problem.
Yeah.
And so this problem video is about shampoos. What do I use? Right here are our favorites, and so we're not going to belabor the point. And we could use any of these on any given day depending on what our needs are. So I wouldn't, like, which one do you prefer, this one or this one? Like, these are the favorites. So if you say MADCURLS, what are your favorites? These are the favorites. Like, you can't go wrong with any of them. I'm so particular. So if I were in the shower and I'd say, hey, go into the room and grab me one of my, if I just said, go grab me my co-wash, and you came back with any one of these, it might not have been the one I had in mind when I told you to go grab it, but I'd be like, okay, great, hand it to me. I wouldn't say, I wanted this one. They are all compatible. All compatible.
Yeah.
So
that is it. These are our favorite cleansers, and whether you're watching, when you're watching this video later down the road, make sure you check out our other favorites videos, because those will be out. And if you're watching it now, look for our other favorites videos coming.
So we're going to keep rolling.
We're going to keep rolling. Yes.
Okay.
So thank you so much for watching, and
we'll see you in our next video.
See you in our next video.
All right. Bye.